Are you ready to go out?
Yes, I am ready.
It is cold outside. Please take your jacket.
Thank you for reminding me.
Do you have your keys?
Yes, I got them right here.
Oh, thank goodness. Let us leave now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Please close the door.
The door is closed.
Where is the bus stop?
It's just 2 blocks that way. It is across the street. Be careful, Sara.
I will be careful. The bus is coming. Nice. Do you have your bus card?
Don't worry, I have it right here.
There are many people today.
We can stand here.
Oh, thanks. Where are we going?
A place you've always dreamed of. We are going downtown.
We are? Do you know how long it will take to get there?
It will take 20 minutes.
Please tell me when we arrive.
I will. I will tell you.
This is our stop. The weather is nice now.
Yes, it is sunny.
Yes, it is.
And it's perfect.
I see our friend.
Where is he?
He is near the café. Hello, Samuel.
Hello, Sara and Abel. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, great seeing you.
Do you want some coffee?
I want tea, please. Can I see the menu?
Here is the menu.
Thank you, Samuel.
No problem, Sara. I'll be right over there. What do you want to order?
Oh, I think I'll have the latte and the chocolate croissant.
I want a small coffee. Do you want anything to eat?
Yes, I want a sandwich.
How much is everything? It is $15. I will pay today. You can pay next time.
That sounds fair.
The coffee is hot.
Please drink it slowly. Haha. This sandwich tastes good.
Yeah. I like this cafe. We should come again.
Yes, let us come next week.
Today was a good day.
Definitely.
I know, right?